Last time we were here, this house was under construction. As you can see now, it's completed. So why don't we take a look inside and see exactly how it turned out.
Hello?
Hey, Paul, it's Joe. How you doing?
Good, how are you, Joe?
Can I come in and see how everything turned out?
Sure, Joe, come in.
Great, thank you. What we have here is a keypad that allows to distribute audio throughout the house. All the customer has to do is press the on button and then go ahead and select their source. By doing that, it allows them ease of use, and they'll be able to have any type of music playing in any room of the house, and including outside at the pool. This remote keypad can be installed outside in the backyard and will allow you to use a remote control to operate it. Dave, I understand besides the alarm system detecting the house from fire and burglars, you did something unique with it. What exactly did you do?
We integrated the alarm system to the gate. Just by pressing and holding this key, entering the code, it allows you to open the gate and latch it open for any party or event.
So in other words, you can control the gate from any alarm keypad in the house.
Correct. In addition, the alarm system will latch the gates open if there's a fire or a burglary to allow the police or the fire department in and to allow the people out.
That's a great idea. Wow, what a beautiful cabinet, Dave. I understand we did a custom installation on the home theater system. Why don't you explain exactly what we did?
Well, we started with this custom speaker package, which allows us to contain the front, right, left, and center speakers all in one unit.
So it allows us to keep the beauty of the cabinet. We don't have to put speakers in or anything like that. Everything's contained right here.
Correct. This unit holds front, right, left, and center.
That's pretty cool. What is this little thing here?
This is a remote IR sensor. It allows us to control the equipment stored below.
Oh, that's pretty neat. So in other words, everything's hidden below, and you go ahead and control it. Where's the subwoofer? I haven't noticed it any place.
For a low-profile installation, we chose to install the subwoofer in the front cabinet.
Oh, that's a great idea. So the customer can have everything closed and have the great sound in the home. I understand we're also doing security through this. How are you doing that?
We're using this touchscreen remote to actually control a camera system. We have cameras located all over the property, Joe. These cameras here can be controlled from this one remote.
That's pretty cool. Well, I'll tell you what you did here, Dave. You took a beautiful piece of furniture and you made it look even better with this plasma. It was a great job you did.
Thanks a lot.
Dave, this is the structured cable that Honeywell provides that's ran throughout this house. There's over 100 cables in this house. What do you do with all the wires?
That's correct, Joe. We bring all the structured cables down into this one location, and then we make the connections inside the box, so it's a neat, nice fit. Let's take a look.
Okay. Wow, that's a lot of wires.
It is a lot of wires, but as you can see, everything's labeled neatly and terminated properly. The RG6 is located on the top right there. That's feeding all the cable throughout the house. On the left, we have our phones and our Cat5 connections for our network. This house is broadband, so they have internet connection jacks in every room.
That's an incredible thing. All these wires terminate in this box and come out looking as neat and as clean as that. That's an incredible thing, Dave. Dave, I understand what the Future Smart cabinet does, but what is all this stuff? This is the audio and video for the whole house?
Yeah, actually, starting at the top, we have the modulation. This is what allows us to broadcast those cameras to all the TVs throughout the house, as you saw earlier. And this is actually a video switching device that's going to switch back and forth to the camera in the garage and outside of the garage. Okay. This is a DVR. This is what we use to record online cameras that are set up throughout the property. The cable box allows us to have cable music broadcast through the entire audio system.
So you're telling me that all the audio for this home is being controlled from the basement, this rack?
That's correct. We have 6 zones and 4 subzones connected to this system. This is the brains of that system.
And then what happens after that? It goes up throughout the house through all these wires and...
Correct. Using the AudioCat cable, we can distribute this music to all those locations, including the cable, 2 AM/FM tuners, and 2 CD changers.
Oh, that's pretty cool. And I'm sure you could add in the future to this.
Absolutely. The system out of the box is capable of 6 sources, and we can add up to 12.
That's great.
I chose GC Alarm Audio and Video Design because they are the one company that took care of all of my audio and low voltage needs, from pre-planning to pre-construction, total design, installation, completion, and most importantly, instruction at end. It was an absolute pleasure dealing with GC Alarm from start to finish. This was a very involved project, and the work was done neatly, professionally, on time, and most importantly, within budget. I'm very happy with the ease of all the systems we've put in the house, from the gate to the security to the audio to the video within the home. My family and I are very comfortable using all of them together.
I'd like to thank Paul and his family for allowing us in his home today. If you're interested in any of the technology you have seen, please give us a call at GC Alarm Audio Video Design. Thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you soon.